Hi guys, we have a bunch of little squeakers to show you. So we have separated them according to boys and girls. So this is the blue clan. And there are 7 precious boys to choose from. This one is extra squawky. He is really looking for a snuggle buddy. I had him on the end because he was extra chunky, but that wasn't working out very well. He just can't quite get comfy. Oh, you got some buddies there. Can you snuggle one of them? Yeah, I know. It's rough. You had to come out of your other sleeping spot. Yeah, let's show your cute little faces and eyes that are opening. Oh yeah, you gonna chime in? Tell him it's okay. He can sleep with you. It'll be all right. Yeah.